So, welcome, guys. This is the 12th episode of Learn Avadi Language series, and today we will be learning the breakdown of the verb to be in different tenses. Okay, so we will learn the present tense, past tense, and future tense of the verb to be, which is also in Hindi hona. Okay, so let's begin. I am, I am in present tense. Hum ahi. Okay, an example is I am going. हम जात ही. I am writing. हम लिखत ही. I am drinking. हम पियत ही. You are. तू आहा. You are going. तू जात हा. तू लिखत हा. तू पियत हा. तू खात हा. He is. वो आहे. He is going. वो जाता है. वो लिखता है. वो खाता है. She is. It is same as वो है. She is going. वो जाती है. But when it is a female, when it is feminine, you will see a small e sound while speaking this sentence. Like वो जाता है. वो जाती है. वो लिखता है. वो लिखती है. वो खाता है. वो खाती है. Okay, so you got the difference. It is e है. It is going. ई जाता है. वी आर. हम सबय. वी आर गोइंग. हम सबय जात अही. दे आर. वह सबय. दे आर गोइंग. वह सबय जात हैं. Got it? Okay. Next is past tense. I was. हम रहे. I was going. हम जात रहे. I was drinking. हम पियत रहे. I was eating. हम खात रहे. Okay. You were. तू रहा. You were going. तू जात रहा. You were eating. तू खात रहा. He was. ऊ रहन. He was going. ऊ जात रहन. ऊ खात रहन. ऊ पियत रहन. Okay. She was. ऊ रही. ऊ जात रही. ऊ खात रही. ऊ पियत रही. It was. ई रहिस. It was going. ई जात रहिस. We were. हम सब रहे. We were going. हम सब जात रहे. They were. वह रहन. They were going. वह जात रहन. रहन. Next is future tense. I will. हम रहब. I will go. हम जाब. There is one ab sound. Ab or aub. I will go. हम जाब और हम जाऊब. I will eat. हम खाब और हम खाऊब. I will drink. हम पियब और हम पियूब. You will. तू रहब्या. You will go. There is a ब्या sound. ब्या. You will go. तू जाब्या. You will eat. तू खाब्या. You will drink. तू पीब्या. He will. ऊ रहे. He will go. There is one a sound. ऊ जाए. He will eat. ऊ खाए. He will drink. ऊ पिए. She will is same as uh, what I told you earlier. She will. ऊ रहे. She will go. ऊ जाए. She will eat. ऊ खाए. It will. ई रहे. It will go. ई जाए. We will. हम सब रहब. We will go. हम सब जाब और हम सब जाऊब. They will. वह सब रही हैं. They will is वे सब रही हैं. They will go. वे सब जई हैं. They will eat. वह सब खाई हैं. वह सब पी हैं. Okay. वह सब लिखी हैं. So these were this was the breakdown of uh, tenses of the verb to be. To learn more of these sentences, please go to learnawithinlanguage.blogspot.com. Stay tuned for more lessons. Thank you.